see that? It's really windy out there, and I'm going to be attempting to go outside in this weather. Let's go.
Terrific. Well, how about the little puppies? That little rat. Get up. Oh, should we go on the hot tub?
If you want.
Shit! You're crazy, bro. No way.
What?
Can't go in the hot tub.
Why?
It's deliciously looking. It's too blur. Oh, hey. What's your name?
Mimi, I subscribed.
I need some ID, please.
I subscribed to Casey the Angry Gamer.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Mimi?
Louder.
Did you subscribe?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
If I had a phone.
If she had a phone? Wait a minute. Mimi, you lied to me.
It's not that windy when you think about it, but it's actually happening. Later.
Let's see how far you can go. Remember you used to touch that telephone pole? It's so windy. Let me see if I can stop the wind. Yeah. Tell them all, bro.
I did.
Tell them all again. They couldn't hear you out there.
Thank you. Click the like and subscribe button.
If you want to see more videos like this.
If you want to see more videos like this.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Woo!